This is a 1990 Fasco grip room ceiling fan playing with high gloss oak blades. This fan I got from a country home locally, and I paid $30 for this, which is okay. I find great rooms like I find Panamas in my area because they are so common, but this one is one of the rarer variants with high gloss blades and plain sideband. So I got this, and it's in really good shape, no scratches at all. The owners followed my instructions on taking the fan down, like removing the blades, so it doesn't wobble much, and the finish is in really great shape. It was installed like on a 25 feet ceiling, so the down rod is super long. I think it's a 5 feet down rod, so it hangs really low, and since my fan room is only 8 feet tall, it hangs really low, and since the blade span is so big, my tripod is on its very lowest setting, and it's still kind of hard to get the whole blade span in view. So this is the best I can do right now. So we will start on low speed. The flywheel is getting a bit droopy from age. But it's pretty quiet, a bit of motor hum, but it's mostly quiet. Definitely not the quietest Fasco I've ever seen. The quietest Fasco I have is probably my decorator. It's like silent. And now medium. Has a powerful 1.2 amp Fasco motor. And there's a big speed difference between low and medium. A tiny bit of bare noise, and there's some more motor hum, but it's fine. It's definitely not as high quality as Casablanca's, but Fasco was a lower quality, lower end showroom brand. And now high speed. Some things that definitely rubbing on the switch housing that I have to fix, which is why it's making that noise. But it's super powerful. It's super fast for a 56-inch fan. And super powerful. But it is really loud because something's rubbing on the switch housing. And now off. I actually like the plain variants better than the ornate, because I don't really like ornate fans. I like plain ones much better. And I like modern ones, like contemporary fans, but better than the ornate ones. You can tell because the fans that I installed in my main house, not the fan room, are my Saturn, my Avalon, and before the Venus, which are all contemporary fans. The blades are pretty long, and the high gloss lacquer that Fasco used was actually pretty high quality. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.